Hello everyone, this is Tapish Kaur. Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to share my views on Be Like a Rocket. Guys, although rocket is in machine, but there are so many positivity associated with rocket. So once we start adopting the positivity of anything, it may be rocket, it may be anything on the earth, then you will see there will be a remarkable change uh, in your life. So let's start talking about the uh, positivity characteristics of rocket. The number one point for rocket is energy. Guys, it requires a lot of energy to go opposite to the gravitational force, and rocket travels opposite to the gravitational force. And so while going opposite to the gravitational force, it requires a lot of energy. So the message that we can get from this, like in adverse condition, which when situation is totally against us, we should learn how to move ahead. We should imbibe the energy for moving ahead. Number two, speed. If you will see the speed of rocket, uh, speed of rocket is remarkable speed. So the basically rocket travels through the cosmos, travels through the space, and it's basically uh, drop the satellites in the space. So dropping the satellites in the space, it requires to go opposite to the gravitational force, which requires high amount of speed. So to travel from Earth to the universe, it requires a high amount of speed, and in the bare minimum time, it travels to its target. It's really remarkable. So let's adopt the speed of a rocket. Once it's clear to us that what exactly our target is, then we should walk like a speed of a rocket. Number third, focus towards the target. Before rocket launch, its targets is already been set. So and it's very commonly seen, once it's traveled to the universe, it's very focused towards the target, and it's always set on the targets, and always move as per the target. So we should adopt this part of rocket to be focused towards the target. Guys, there is very common terminology it's been used, that it's not a rocket science. So it means it's not an easy task. So but this is all about my understanding about the subject. Hope you guys has enjoyed the video. Thanks a lot. Stay healthy, stay safe.